It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Monday, the 26th of November. I'm Michael Groff. A refreshing air mass thanks to a cold front will be coming in here later tonight and persisting through the middle part of the week. But the moisture and the warmer temperatures return just in time for the weekend. Let's talk about it as we check out the almanac from yesterday. 77 degrees officially in Tampa yesterday. 65 for the morning low. A trace of rain in the bucket. And of course, we are well ahead of where we should be on rainfall for the year. And outside right now almost feels summer-like out there to start this day. At Tampa International Airport, officially 72 degrees, dew point 71, relative humidity 97%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, mid and upper 60s inland, near 70 or low 70s at the coast. Around the nation, you can see the cold air just to our north and west, even across portions of Alabama, Mississippi. We have temperatures in the 30s and 40s, and that's where our cold front is, and that'll be descending southward today and tonight. The bitterly cold air further to the north with single digits and teens, even some below zero numbers across the central northern plains and up into Canada. The upper air look, deep low over the Midwest, and there's our cold front dragging southward into the southeast U.S. Out ahead of that, that's where the warm, steamy air still exists. The watch warning map, some dense fog advisories in parts of South Florida. We might see some patchy fog here for a little while this morning as well. Elsewhere, blizzard warnings in sections of Illinois and winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories for much of the Midwest and the Northeast. Convective outlook for today, we do have a marginal risk of severe storms across central Florida with our cold front passing on through. Can't rule out a few storms that produce some strong damaging winds today, but really I think the severe weather threat is fairly minimal and storms will be rather widely spaced today, but we'll keep that in mind. The tropics, we can put a fork in the season. It's pretty much done. Technically, it runs through the end of the month, but doesn't look like anything is getting organized anytime soon out there. And rainfall for the next 7 days from the WPC amounts here across central Florida generally in the 1.5 inch range. And most of that is going to come this weekend, as you'll see. As we get into the details of it all now, checking out the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our deep low over the eastern Great Lakes this afternoon down at the surface. Here comes our boundary. And so we'll have mostly cloudy skies today. Again, patchy fog this morning. And a chance of showers and thunderstorms coming through here this afternoon. I'd say a 30% chance that we'll see anything at all. Most of the rainfall will be rather light. A few spots could see some locally heavy downpours, though. Highs today, upper 70s to near 80, just a little bit above average. But then tonight, as that front passes on by, the winds will switch out of the north and northwest. And we should cool off into the mid-50s. It'll feel nice. And then tomorrow, can't rule out an isolated shower in the morning and mostly cloudy skies, but we'll see decreasing clouds later in the afternoon. Highs mostly in the mid-60s. Wednesday, we'll start out in the 40s in most spots. In fact, low 40s further to the north. And the latest guidance coming in with highs only in the upper 50s and low 60s. A nice cool day, but the sky should be mostly sunny. Partly cloudy on Thursday. We'll start a warming trend, highs in the upper 60s as high pressure begins to build in and slide off to the east. Friday with southwesterly flow. Moisture levels continue to increase, partly cloudy skies and highs back in the mid-70s. And then Saturday, here comes our next weather maker. A surface low over southeast Missouri, and the Gulf is opened up, so southwesterly flow in place and a chance of showers. Looks like a pretty decent rain this weekend. Not going to rain all weekend, but certainly scattered to numerous showers. So off and on, both Saturday and at least into the first half of Sunday as well. Highs somewhere between about 76 and 80 both days. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Monday, the 3rd of December. Deep low over the southwest U.S. And around here, a southwesterly flow continues. So at least a small chance of a shower, though I think we'll kind of be between systems here. So we'll just call it partly sunny for now. Highs still in the upper 70s. Here's Tuesday, the 4th, and we've got a pretty deep system over the nation's midsection, a surface low just east of St. Louis, so maybe some strong storms to the north and west of the state. But the main dynamics will stay north of us, so no strong storms expected around here. Maybe just some rain as that cold front passes on through, and temperatures should back off a bit. Ultimately, we see that as we go out to the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday the 5th. And again, cooler temperatures will start to come in, although not a major cold air mass intrusion here. Highs will back off into the low and middle 70s. And let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. It's got us at 58 on Wednesday. That'll feel pretty good. And lows in the 40s meantime. And then we'll see that warming trend take over with temperatures going above average for the first week of December. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, and suggestions. Always encourage your feedback. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Monday. And here is your forecast.